Welcome to Flipkart Advertising. In this video, you will learn how to create a product contextual ad campaign for your brand. You can run product contextual ads on your products on Flipkart as well as Supermart. Now let's create a campaign. The first step is to choose the ad account. If you are an ad account admin or a campaign manager, you will be directly logged into your ad account. If you're a business account admin, you can use the account switcher on the top right to choose your ad account. Before you create your campaign, ensure that your ad account has adequate funds loaded in the wallet. Once you have done so, click on the Campaigns button on the left side. Now, click on the Create Campaign button and choose Product Contextual Ads as your campaign type in the pop-up window. The first step is to fill in the campaign name. Next, you can decide your campaign schedule, budget, and pricing. You can either select an end date for your campaign or use the option to run the campaign till the budget ends. Next, enter a campaign budget. In case you are selling your products on both Flipkart and Supermart, you need to select one of the platforms to run your campaign. Click on Continue to proceed. The next step is ad group creation. Ad groups contain set of products on which a defined strategy like bids, schedule, banner, etc. would be applied to help achieve advertising objective. When a user clicks on a user banner, it would take the user to a list of products that fall under the respective ad group. Click on the Create Ad Group button. Here, the first step is to fill in the ad group name. The next step is to create a product collection you want to advertise. The product collection can be created by two ways: rule-based or ad hoc. Rule-based allows you to advertise products based on defined conditions like pricing and discounts, whereas ad hoc lets you advertise a curated selection of products. Let's explore rule-based ad group creation first. First, choose your brand and the category you want to advertise in. Next, define rules based on minimum and maximum pricing and discount within the selected brand and category. You can choose to define just the price or the discount by leaving the other field blank. Now click on Generate Preview on the right side of your screen to view a representative set of the products that would be advertised based on your rules. During the campaign duration, if more products qualify under the set rules, it will automatically become part of the campaign. Similarly, if products go out of stock or stop qualifying under the rules, they will be removed from the campaign. You also have an option to only advertise your F for short products. Then, click on the next button to view auto-generated creative banners. These banners can feature either the brand logo or an FSN image. The system selects a featured FSN image, which is among the top FSNs on the user landing page after he clicks on the ad. You can remove a creative from your campaign by clicking on the cross button on the top right of the creative. You can choose to remove or restore any of the creatives as and when needed while your campaign is running. Click on the next button to proceed further. Here we need to decide ad group budget, duration, pacing, and bid. First, enter the ad group budget limit. Now, decide the ad group duration, which cannot be greater than the campaign duration. The next step is to select budget pacing. You can choose fast burn to display your ads across relevant searches as and when they happen, or divide your ad group budget equally among all days of campaign duration. Then fill in your CPC-based bid amount. This is the amount you will be charged for each click on your ad. You also have the option to bid differently for the top of search and browse listing page versus rest of search and browse listing page. You can add a percentage increment over your base bid, thus bidding a higher value for a specific placement. The percentage increment can be filled in next to the placement name, and the placement-wise bid will reflect accordingly. You can also choose to expand the reach of your ads by showcasing them on searches in similar categories, like displaying your shampoo ad to a user searching for conditioner. To do this, check the Show Ads in Broad Match Stores box. You can use the Exclude Keywords option to fill in specific keywords on which you do not want your ad to appear. These keywords need to be separated by a comma, and the system will exclude your ads from showing up in those specific keywords. Then, click on Save Ad Group to complete ad group creation. Now, let's understand how to use Ad Hoc Product Collection. Here you can select specific products manually to advertise. For that, choose the brand and category from the drop-down options. Once selected, you can now search down products by name or FSN. You can choose the name filter and search for products with relevant terms and select them as they appear. To search with FSN, add multiple FSN with a comma separating each in the search bar. If you have the list of the FSNs of the products for your campaign, you can use the Upload Products CSV feature by downloading the CSV template, adding FSNs, and re-uploading it. Once the products are selected, click on the Next button, which will take you to Creative Selection, followed by Bidding page. Once an ad group is created, you can use the Add Ad Group button to create more ad groups similarly. Once ad group creation is complete, click on Continue to proceed. On the next screen, you can review your ad group and campaign settings. Ensure that all the details are correct and then click on the Submit button to launch your campaign. With this, your PCA campaign has been created. Stay tuned for our next video to know more about the reporting feature on the Flipkart Ads platform.